Welcome back to Financial Freedom Journey. In 2024, financial insecurity has become a pressing issue affecting millions of individuals and families across the globe. But what exactly does financial insecurity mean? At its core, it refers to the uncertainty and instability surrounding one's financial situation, often leading to difficulties in meeting basic needs like housing, food, and healthcare. In today's economy, where inflation and job market fluctuations are rampant, understanding financial insecurity is more crucial than ever. This video aims to shed light on the importance of financial awareness, as it empowers you to take control of your financial future. We'll explore how financial insecurity can impact not just your wallet, but also your mental health, relationships, and overall quality of life. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of the challenges posed by financial insecurity and the steps you can take to safeguard your financial well-being. So let's dive in and uncover the realities of this critical issue. Understanding financial insecurity. Financial insecurity is a multifaceted concept that goes beyond the traditional definition of poverty. While poverty refers to a lack of sufficient income to meet basic needs, financial insecurity encompasses a broader range of economic instability. It can manifest in various forms, such as living paycheck to paycheck, struggling with debt, or lacking savings for emergencies. Common signs of financial insecurity include constant worry about money, difficulty paying bills on time, and an inability to afford unexpected expenses. These indicators can create a cycle of stress and anxiety, leading to significant emotional and psychological effects. Individuals facing financial insecurity often experience feelings of shame, fear, and hopelessness, which can impact their mental health and relationships. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward addressing financial insecurity. By understanding its various forms and effects, we can better equip ourselves to navigate the challenges it presents and work towards a more secure financial future. Causes of financial insecurity. In 2024, financial insecurity is driven by a complex interplay of economic, personal, and societal factors. One of the most significant economic contributors is inflation, which has led to rising prices for essential goods and services, making it harder for individuals to stretch their budgets. Additionally, job market instability, characterized by fluctuating employment rates and the rise of gig work, leaves many without a stable income. On a personal level, unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or car repairs, can quickly derail financial plans, especially for those with little to no savings. This lack of a financial safety net exacerbates feelings of insecurity and stress. Societal issues also play a crucial role. Wage stagnation means that many workers are not seeing their salaries keep pace with the cost of living. As living costs continue to rise, the gap between income and expenses widens, pushing more individuals and families into a state of financial insecurity. Understanding these causes is essential for finding solutions. Financial insecurity can have profound effects on both individuals and families, often leading to heightened stress and various mental health issues. The constant worry about making ends meet can result in anxiety, depression, and even physical health problems, creating a vicious cycle that is hard to escape. Moreover, the strain of financial insecurity can significantly impact family dynamics and relationships. Tensions may arise over money-related discussions, leading to conflicts between partners or within families. This stress can erode trust and communication, making it difficult for families to support one another during challenging times. The long-term consequences of financial insecurity extend beyond immediate stressors. Children growing up in financially unstable households may face barriers to education, limiting their future career opportunities. Adults may also find it challenging to pursue further education or career advancement due to financial constraints. Understanding these impacts is crucial for addressing the broader implications of financial insecurity on society as a whole. Improving your financial situation starts with taking proactive steps, and one of the most effective strategies is to create a budget and track your expenses. By understanding where your money goes each month, you can identify areas to cut back and prioritize essential spending. Another crucial tip is to build an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to prepare for unexpected costs, such as medical bills or car repairs. This financial cushion can provide peace of mind and reduce stress during challenging times. Additionally, seeking financial education resources can empower you to make informed decisions. Look for workshops, online courses, or community programs that offer guidance on budgeting, saving, and investing. Joining support networks, whether online or in person, can also connect you with others facing similar challenges, providing encouragement and shared experiences. By implementing these strategies, you can take significant steps toward combating financial insecurity and achieving greater stability. If you're facing financial insecurity, there are numerous resources available to help you navigate your situation. Local and national organizations, such as the United Way, Salvation Army, and Feeding America, offer financial assistance and support services for those in need. These organizations can provide everything from food assistance to emergency funds. In addition to these organizations, there are several online tools and apps designed to help with budgeting and financial planning. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard can help you track your expenses, set savings goals, and manage your finances more effectively. Lastly, consider connecting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance tailored to your unique circumstances. Many advisors offer free consultations or sliding scale fees, making their services more accessible. By utilizing these resources, you can gain valuable insights and support to help you regain control over your financial situation and work toward a more secure future. In this video, we explored the pressing issue of financial insecurity, highlighting its main causes, such as inflation, job market instability, and personal financial challenges. We also discussed the significant impacts it can have on mental health, family dynamics, and long-term opportunities for education and career advancement. Taking proactive steps to improve your financial health is essential. By creating a budget, building an emergency fund, and seeking out educational resources, you can better navigate the challenges of financial insecurity. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and there are numerous resources available to support you. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may also benefit from this information. Together, we can work towards a more secure financial future for everyone. Thank you for watching.